a AC Cobra, a Shelby. With the 427. Single overhead cam. Yeah.
I didn't do it.
Yeah.
No, for real. Between the car over there.
Oh, yeah. What?
I think you really get a year on this because it's a kit car. So it depends if there's an underlying chassis. Some of these, they will use Pinto chassis. Some of them just fabbed up frame. This one is different than the other ones because this one has a 427 in it. So, when I came by earlier, the hood was open. So, these Shelby Cobras, they could have came with anything from a 289, a 302, a 351. So this one's got a 7-liter in it, but I really wanted to see it because I wanted to find out what it was specifically. So I'm going to call it a kit car. So like a 1966 kit car AC Cobra.